In this video, I will show you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. So to get started, go ahead and open your Google Chrome on your PC. Make sure that you are signed in into your Google Chrome account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and then click on New Incognito window. And then you'll be able to have this new incognito tab. So going incognito will actually allow you to surf the net privately, since all of the information that you search using incognito on your browser will not save all of the data that you search for and downloaded. And that is how you can simply go incognito on Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.